Have you ever wondered how your favorite ice cream is made? A simple question, but one that hides a world of delightful complexity. You see, ice cream is not just a sweet treat, but a marvel of culinary artistry, a dance of ingredients and techniques that result in the creamy goodness we all adore. There are different types of ice creams, each with its own unique blend of ingredients, from the classic vanilla, laden with specks of real vanilla beans, to the indulgent double chocolate, chock full of rich cocoa. There's the tangy sorbet, bursting with the freshness of fruits, and the luxurious gelato, a testament to Italy's love for rich, dense flavors. The ingredients? Well, they're simpler than you might think. Cream, sugar, and flavorings form the foundation. Yet the magic lies not just in what goes into the pot, but how it's all put together. So, stay tuned as we dive into the fascinating process of bringing your favorite treat to life. The heart of every ice cream lies in its creamy base. This isn't just a mixture of ingredients, it's a symphony of flavors that sets the stage for the final product. So let's delve into the art of creating this delightful foundation. The quality of ice cream is largely determined by the cream and milk used. It's important to select fresh, high-quality milk and cream. These primary ingredients contribute to the richness and creaminess of the ice cream, so you can't compromise here. Next, sugar and eggs are added to this dairy duo. The sugar provides sweetness, of course, but it also lowers the freezing point of the mixture, ensuring our ice cream doesn't turn into an icy brick. The eggs, specifically the yolks, are like the unsung heroes of our formula. They lend a hand in creating a smooth and velvety texture, and their proteins help to stabilize the base. Once these components are combined, we move to the cooking phase. This isn't just about heating, it's a delicate process of pasteurization. The mixture is gently heated to kill any bacteria and ensure food safety, but also to allow the sugar to dissolve and the flavors to meld together. The ideal temperature here is crucial, too high, and you risk cooking the eggs, resulting in a less than desirable eggy flavor. Too low, and the sugar won't fully dissolve, leaving a gritty texture. So maintaining a steady medium heat is key. Then comes the cooling process. The base needs to be cooled quickly and efficiently to halt the cooking process and to preserve its smooth texture. This is usually done by immersing the pot in an ice bath and stirring until the temperature drops. Now we have the creamy base, a blank canvas ready to be transformed into any ice cream flavor imaginable. But remember, like any culinary masterpiece, the magic of ice cream lies in the subtleties, the quality of the ingredients, the precision in heating, and the patience in cooling. With the creamy base ready, we move on to the next exciting step. Now comes the magic, the churning process. This is where our creamy base begins its transformation into the scrumptious delight we know and love. It's all about incorporating air into our mixture to give our ice cream its signature light, fluffy texture. Picture a ballet of sorts, where our ice cream mixture and air engage in a delicate dance under the careful guidance of the ice cream machine. As the machine churns, it whips the mixture, folding air into it. This process is crucial as it prevents the formation of large ice crystals, which would make our ice cream hard and icy rather than smooth and creamy. The ice cream machine plays a vital role here. It maintains a constant churning motion, ensuring that just the right amount of air is incorporated. This gives us that perfect balance between too airy and too dense. With the base transformed into a fluffy mixture, we are ready for the next stage. Flavoring and freezing, the steps that bring life to our ice cream. Now this is where the magic truly happens. The creamy base we've lovingly created is just a blank canvas, waiting to be painted with the vibrant colors of our flavors. From the rich, deep notes of chocolate to the sunny zest of lemon, the choice of flavor can transform our ice cream, giving it a unique personality. Some prefer the classic vanilla, a humble yet impactful flavor that harks back to the origins of ice cream. Others might be drawn to the exotic allure of mango or passion fruit, their tropical notes hinting at sunny beaches and palm trees. But the beauty of ice cream creation is that it doesn't stop at just one flavor. Oh no, it encourages creativity and innovation. We can mix and match flavors, creating a symphony of taste that dances on the tongue. Imagine a scoop of strawberry ice cream, but with a swirl of balsamic reduction. Unusual? Absolutely delicious, you bet. And then we have the add-ins, chunks of brownie, ribbons of caramel, sprinkles of nuts. These not only add to the flavor but also introduce a delightful contrast in textures. Every spoonful becomes a surprise, a little treasure hunt of tastes and textures. Once we've added our flavors and add-ins, we move on to the freezing process. This is a delicate dance of temperature control. We want our ice cream to be cold enough to hold its shape, but not so cold that it becomes a solid block. The perfect ice cream should melt slowly in your mouth, releasing its flavors in a gentle wave. The freezing process is usually done in an ice cream maker, a marvelous machine that churns the mixture as it freezes, preventing large ice crystals from forming and ensuring a smooth, creamy texture. And there we have it. Our ice cream, flavored and frozen, is almost ready to be enjoyed. But not quite yet, for we have one more secret to reveal. Now the ice cream is almost ready, but we have one more secret to reveal. What's the secret ingredient that sets apart a good ice cream from a great one? You might be surprised to learn that it's a simple dash of sea salt. Yes, you heard that right. Sea salt, the humble condiment that graces our kitchen shelves, is the secret star of our ice cream making process. Now you might be wondering, salt in my sweet treat? But here's the magic. When added in just the right amount, sea salt works to enhance the sweetness of the ice cream, lending it a depth of flavor that is simply irresistible. It makes the taste buds sing and the sweet elements dance on your tongue. It's the pinch of magic that transforms a good ice cream into a great one. This tiny grain is the silent hero, the unsung champion that makes your ice cream journey all the more delightful. And there you have it, the art and science of making ice cream. Now, next time you enjoy your favorite scoop, you'll know the journey it's been on.